Hey guys, so I know that some of this has already been addressed, and I know some people are still a little worried about 2.1. I do want to show you that 2.1.01 has come out and that has fixed a couple of things for us, but I want to show you the top three things that are really kind of worrying people or getting people a little stuck when they go to upgrade. So the first thing is going to be in our settings. People are noticing that their inches and millimeters are not lining up with their old software. And what that can do to us is really throw off what our speed settings are. So right now I'm set to millimeters, but if I set that to inches, it's going to look really strange. So what we want to do when we download 2.1, 2.01, or really any update to any CAD type software is go into our settings and make sure that we are set to control units at what we would normally run things at. So a lot of folks run millimeters per second. Make sure that's checked. Versus inches per second or inches per minute. There's so many options here, millimeters per second being the normal that most people use. And then if you are someone who does design work and you want to do your design work or you want your workspace to be in inches, make sure you unlink it. We do not want it to our millimeters per second to link control and design units. We want them unlinked. If I do this, whatever I put here is how I'm going to design as well. So I'm going to unlink that and I'm going to hit OK. And then I can go up here and I can adjust my design space in millimeters or inches. Now I design in inches, so that's where I'm going to keep it so that everything I have here is in inches, but my speed and power remain in that millimeters per second. So that's one thing that's been worrying folks a little bit. The other thing that we have found, or that folks are finding, or maybe just kind of forgetting that it's available to us, is in these other settings, our little gears here, our general Lightburn settings, there is a space under units and grids, or sorry, under display, where we can adjust our toolbar size. See, you can go really big. When you open it up, it's really small, so we want to move that to normal. And our font size is in there too, guys, and this will change the font size when we are rating things. My old eyes need to be about 13, so I'm always going to do that. So that's the other thing that's been kind of worrying people. The third thing is camera calibration, and it is just what it is. You may need to recalibrate your camera for this new version of Lightburn. Lightburn has done some upgrades so that cameras work a little bit better with the Lightburn software. So just go ahead and recalibrate. And if you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Send in some tickets, let them know what issues you're having. But those three things right there should get you up and running in Lightburn 2.1 without giving you a whole lot of stress. If you have questions, reach out. I look forward to talking to you guys, and I hope everybody is having a wonderful day, and I hope this helps someone today.